So this is technically called Cloud Gate, but everyone just calls it the bean because it looks like some kind of like pinto bean. But it's ultra reflective, as you can see. It's one of the more famous pieces of public art in the country, at the very least. It's pretty cool. So yeah, it's the 4th of July in Chicago, and I have the entire day off to just explore the city. So I decided to take this architecture boat tour, which was a great way to just kind of motor around and see all the different areas of Chicago. It was beautiful weather and a great way to spend a couple of hours. And I had to take the opportunity to get some Chicago-style deep dish pizza while I was in town. But soon enough, it was time to hop on the L once again and head to Guaranteed Rate Field. Guaranteed Rate Field opened in 1991, and it replaced the historic Comiskey Park, which was basically as old as Wrigley Field. It was a really gray and blustery day, and we weren't sure if the game was actually going to get started on time, but the weather cleared right around first pitch, and it was a pretty good night for a baseball game. My only real nitpick with Guaranteed Rate is that you can't get between the different decks. If you're in the upper level, you can't get down, and if you're in the lower level, you can't get up. When I go and visit a ballpark, I really like to be able to kind of walk around and explore it the first time I'm there. We were treated, however, to the first 8-5 triple play in Major League history, which was really, really fun to watch. But if you're a White Sox fan, it was not so fun for you, as you can tell by the woman there behind me. Saw triple play. So yeah, that was it. 4th of July in Chicago, watching baseball. What's more American than that? And that wraps up our 3 days in Chicago here. And what better way to send us off than watching Tony La Russa get ejected from a baseball game. Gotta love it. We'll see you next time.